What's up, everyone? Welcome to Mike's Public Land Hunting Outdoors. Today we're going to do a little power equipment feature on you on an Echo 650 EVL. This is an awesome chainsaw. Echo produced this saw from 1980 to 1984. It's a 650 EVL, like I said, so it's got 64.2 cc's. It's an awesome cutting machine. This one's got a 20-inch bar. I'm gonna go do a little bit of cutting with it, maybe cut 1 or 2 logs, show you how it cuts. But it's an awesome cutting saw. It's an old Echo classic. I'm gonna show you the features on it, and then we'll get to cutting, then we'll do the outro. But anyway, let's get busy and let's look at this saw in depth. Right here you put your fuel mix. This is for your bar oil, obviously pull cord, choke pulls out. You got run, stop, spark plug, throttle lock. Pretty simple, like most chainsaws. Okay, everyone, make sure you've got your eye protection, hearing protection on. We're gonna cut the 1 log right here. She should crank the first pull. Let's see how it goes. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that video. Be sure to check out my other chainsaw videos right here and power equipment videos. Hit the subscribe button. I appreciate everybody watching. Leave some comments, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.